Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck or dreaming of breaking free from the chains of financial stress? If so, then it's time to embark on a financial independence journey. In this video, we will explore effective strategies for freedom planning that can help you achieve your goal of financial independence. Creating a roadmap towards financial freedom requires discipline, dedication, and a well-thought-out plan. We will delve into various aspects of freedom planning, from setting achievable goals and creating a budget to implementing investment strategies and maximizing income streams. Whether you are just starting or have been on this journey for some time, there will be valuable insights and actionable tips for everyone. Our expert guidance will show you how to optimize your finances, reduce debt, and build wealth. We will also highlight real-life success stories of individuals who have achieved financial independence, proving that it is not an unattainable dream but a reachable reality. So, if you're ready to take control of your financial future and pave the way to a life of freedom, join us on this empowering journey towards financial independence. What is financial independence? Financial independence refers to a state where you have enough income and assets to cover your living expenses without relying on a traditional job or paycheck. It means having the freedom to make choices based on your values and interests, rather than being tied down by financial obligations. Achieving financial independence allows you to live life on your own terms, pursuing your passions and dreams without the constant worry of money. At its core, financial independence is about achieving a sense of security and peace of mind. It provides you with the flexibility to take risks, explore new opportunities, and prioritize your well-being. It's not about being rich or having an extravagant lifestyle, but rather about having the resources to live comfortably and align your financial goals with your personal values. The importance of financial independence. Financial independence holds immense importance in today's fast-paced and uncertain world. It provides a safety net during challenging times and offers a sense of control over your financial future. Here are a few key reasons why financial independence should be a priority. Peace of mind. Achieving financial independence eliminates the constant stress and anxiety that comes with living paycheck to paycheck. Knowing that you have a solid financial foundation allows you to focus on other aspects of your life with peace of mind. Flexibility and freedom. Financial independence gives you the freedom to make choices that align with your values and priorities. Whether it's taking time off work to travel, starting your own business, or pursuing a passion project, you have the flexibility to design your life the way you want it. Reduced financial stress. When you are financially independent, you are no longer bound by the constraints of debt and financial obligations. This significantly reduces stress and improves your overall well-being, allowing you to enjoy life to the fullest. Opportunity for personal growth. Financial independence provides the opportunity to invest in yourself and your personal growth. You can pursue further education, develop new skills, or explore hobbies and interests that bring you joy and fulfillment. Steps to achieve financial independence. Achieving financial independence requires a strategic approach and consistent effort. While the journey may vary for each individual, there are key steps that can help you pave the way towards financial freedom. Let's explore these steps in detail. Creating a budget and tracking expenses. The first step towards financial independence is creating a budget and tracking your expenses. A budget helps you understand where your money is going and allows you to make informed decisions about your spending. Start by listing all your income sources and categorizing your expenses. This will give you a clear picture of your financial situation and help you identify areas where you can cut back. Tracking your expenses is equally important as it allows you to see where you might be overspending and where you can save. Use a spreadsheet, budgeting app, or online tools to track your expenses regularly. Make adjustments and prioritize your spending based on your financial goals. Remember, every dollar saved is a step closer to financial independence. Saving and investing for financial independence. Saving and investing are crucial components of any financial independence plan. Start by building an emergency fund that covers at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This fund acts as a safety net during unforeseen circumstances, such as job loss or medical emergencies. Once you have your emergency fund in place, focus on long-term savings and investments. Consider opening a retirement account, such as an IRA or 401k, and contribute regularly. Take advantage of any employer matching contributions to maximize your savings. Additionally, explore other investment options like stocks, bonds, real estate, or mutual funds. Diversify your investment portfolio to minimize risk and maximize potential returns. Paying off debt and managing credit. Debt can be a major roadblock on your journey towards financial independence. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts, such as credit card debt or personal loans, as they can quickly accumulate and hinder your progress. Adopt a debt repayment strategy, such as the snowball or avalanche method, and make consistent payments towards your debts. As you pay off one debt, redirect the freed-up funds towards the next debt until you become debt-free. Managing credit is equally important in your pursuit of financial independence. Maintain a good credit score by paying your bills on time, keeping credit card balances low, and avoiding unnecessary debt. A good credit score not only helps you qualify for favorable interest rates but also opens up opportunities for better financial options in the future. Building multiple streams of income. Relying solely on a traditional job may limit your ability to achieve financial independence. Building multiple streams of income provides you with additional financial security and accelerates your progress towards freedom. Look for opportunities to diversify your income, such as starting a side business, investing in rental properties, or generating passive income through investments. Consider leveraging your skills, knowledge, and hobbies to create new income streams. Monetize your expertise through consulting or freelancing, create and sell digital products, or explore the gig economy. Building multiple streams of income not only increases your earning potential but also provides a safety net in case one source of income is disrupted. Creating a long-term financial plan. A long-term financial plan is essential for achieving and maintaining financial independence. Set clear and measurable goals for different stages of your journey. Break down your goals into smaller milestones and establish a timeline for achieving them. Regularly review and reassess your financial plan to ensure you stay on track. Consider seeking professional advice from a financial planner or advisor to help you create a comprehensive financial plan. They can provide guidance on investment strategies, tax planning, and risk management, tailored to your specific goals and circumstances. A financial professional can also help you navigate complex financial situations and make informed decisions for long-term success. Strategies for early retirement. Early retirement is a common goal for many individuals seeking financial independence. It allows you to retire and enjoy the fruits of your labor at a younger age, giving you more time to pursue your passions and spend quality time with loved ones. Here are a few strategies to consider if early retirement is your goal. Save aggressively. To retire early, you need to save a significant portion of your income. Aim to save at least 50% of your income by cutting back on unnecessary expenses and increasing your savings rate. Invest wisely. Invest your savings in assets that generate passive income and have the potential for long-term growth. Consider real estate investments, dividend-paying stocks, or index funds to build a portfolio that can sustain your lifestyle during retirement. Minimize expenses. Focus on reducing your living expenses to decrease the amount of money needed to sustain your lifestyle in retirement. Consider downsizing your home, living a minimalist lifestyle, or relocating to a lower-cost area. Plan for healthcare and insurance. Early retirement may mean leaving employer-provided healthcare benefits. Make sure to account for healthcare costs in your retirement plan and consider purchasing private health insurance until you are eligible for Medicare. Stay flexible. Early retirement requires careful planning and flexibility. Be prepared to adjust your plans if unexpected circumstances arise. Consider part-time work or freelancing to supplement your income if needed. Conclusion. Financial independence is not an unattainable dream but a reality that can be achieved with the right strategies and mindset. By creating a budget, saving and investing, paying off debt, building multiple income streams, and creating a long-term financial plan, you can pave the way towards a life of freedom and security. Remember, financial independence is a journey that requires patience, consistency, and determination. It may not happen overnight, but with each step you take towards your goals, you move closer to the life you envision. So start today, take control of your finances, and embark on your own financial independence journey. The rewards are well worth the effort.